Hey everyone, my name is Eddie and I'm with the Nest Pro training team. Thanks for joining us for this video. The focus of this video is on Nest Protect, our smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. We want to share with you a little bit about how it works and what makes it what we feel is the industry leader. Our goal is to make you feel more comfortable offering it to your customers. The key benefit for your customers is, of course, keeping their families safe by not just knowing when there's a problem, but also knowing what the problem is and where it is, and even what to do about it. And lastly, it's about allowing them to rest easy, giving them that peace of mind that all systems are go. One thing you might not know about home fires is that they come in two distinct types. The first is fast flaming fires. And as the name implies, these fires burn fast, generating a lot of heat but not a lot of smoke, and they produce smaller particles that need to be detected. The second type is known as slow smoldering fires, and these fires tend to create a lot of smoke but not a lot of heat, and they generate much larger particles that need to be detected. Traditionally, the industry has used one of two technologies to detect one or the other of these fires. Ionization is very good at detecting fast flaming fires, but not slow smoldering, while photoelectric is very good at detecting slow smoldering fires, but not fast flaming. So with a traditional smoke alarm, you have what pretty much amounts to a 50-50 chance of detecting a fire in time. Those aren't good odds, obviously, when we're talking about lives being at risk. So we knew we needed a better solution, and we feel we've accomplished this with Nest Protect. So what makes Nest Protect unique? First is a state-of-the-art split spectrum sensor that detects both types of fires, so it's an all-in-one device if you want to look at it that way. It also has a feature called Steam Check that eliminates false alarms from steam if someone is taking a hot shower or boiling some pasta. Another important thing to know is that these are not Wi-Fi dependent devices. Multiple Nest Protects communicate via a proprietary network. The good news there is that the devices are not dependent on Wi-Fi to stay connected and to keep working. This will help you overcome the possible objection of your customers asking, well, what if my Wi-Fi goes down? The answer is that the devices keep working via this proprietary protocol. The only thing you lose when Wi-Fi is down is the external communication to a smartphone. And as you know, Wi-Fi being down is typically only a temporary situation. In addition, Nest Protect speaks before it alarms by giving a heads up before it goes to a full emergency. Think of it as an early warning that allows the user to take care of a minor issue before it becomes a major one. And Nest Protect monitors itself continually to make sure that everything is working properly, and it proactively alerts the user if something is not. A low battery, for example. Nest Protect isn't going to chirp randomly in the middle of the night. It's going to send a clearly communicated message to the user that the batteries in the device are starting to run low. Let's now look at hardware innovations in Nest Protect. First, the split spectrum sensor that we've already talked about. Nest Protect is the first device of its kind to employ this technology in a residential application. Nest Protect also offers a 10-year lifespan. That is, all sensors, including the carbon monoxide sensor, have been designed to last 10 years. A 3-year improvement over our first generation of this product, and a 5-year advantage over most devices on the market. Both of these are unique selling points for you as a Nest Pro. There is an omnidirectional microphone in the device that is used in the self-testing sound check that Nest Protect completes every month. There are also 6 LED color rings, and each of these colors, often in conjunction with voice alerts, is going to communicate something different to the homeowner. There's also a 2-watt speaker to get the volume up there and to ensure that the homeowner hears the alarms. And Bluetooth Low Energy for easy pairing of the device to the app. The battery door is much easier to open. There are no screws involved in replacing the batteries. The first set of batteries are included in Nest Protect, by the way. There are 6 in the battery-powered version and 3 in the hardwire version that serve as a backup should there be a power failure in the home. And finally, the improved base for easy and secure attaching of the device to the wall or ceiling. Software innovations include App Silence that allows a homeowner to, once they've taken care of the problem, of course, silence Nest Protect from their smartphone or tablet, eliminating the need for a ladder or a broomstick when Protect is out of reach. Safety Checkup allows your customers to easily run a manual test when they might want to confirm that all of their Nest Protects are working. It verifies that Nest Protect sensors, power, Wi-Fi connection, speaker, horn, and light ring are all functioning properly. Sound Check, on the other hand, is part of that self-monitoring or self-checking that we mentioned earlier. It's set up to run monthly, and it alerts the homeowner when it's going to happen so that they know that Sound Check is coming. And Pathlight is, for a lot of Nest Protect users, a sentimental favorite. In a darkened room or hallway, Pathlight allows Protect to sense the homeowner's movement and will light their way if they get up in the middle of the night. Setting up Nest Protect, whether it's one device or several, has never been easier, and this process is covered in another video. And then there's Whole Home Nightly Promise that really brings home that peace of mind for your customers. At night, when all the lights go off, Protect will first run a self-check, and it will then ping all other Nest Protects in the home, and as long as all systems are go on every device, it will give the homeowner a reassuring green glow. And now mom or dad can rest easy knowing that everything is okay. Finally, Nest Protect meets all requirements across all 50 US states and in Canada. That includes Underwriters Laboratories, which is of course the main requirement that we wanted to accomplish and that you and your customers want to see. The California State Fire Marshal, the Canadian Standards Association, and the British Standard Institution, which is also in Canada. Nest Protect complies with all required smoke and carbon monoxide alarm standards in the industry, so you can feel good that you're selling a product that meets every requirement. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for joining us for this video. I hope that it helps you understand a little bit more about Nest Protect, our smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, and gives you a better level of confidence in recommending and installing this life-saving product for your customers. We appreciate your spending some time with us today, and we'll see you next time.